we have another mystery package, and let's open it to see what is it. I have a guess, but let's open and see what is it. Okay, now I've opened the first layer. Very well packed, actually. There's a second layer here. So bear with me, I've opened this second layer. Oh, okay, I have opened it now. That is the next generation laser collimator. Oh, that's a telescope collimator. That's how you, if you have a Newtonian, from time to time you need to collimate, means adjust the direction of the mirror. Otherwise you will not see the full view of the aperture, opening of the mirror. And inside it also is another item that I ordered. Is a light pollution filter for a 2-inch eyepiece. So let's open this one. Of course, like everything else, is made in China. So you have to twist the lid and it opens. And it deletes some of the harmful rays from the street lights and the sky glow and everything. So hopefully it will have a good effect. And increasing the contrast in the when you look through the deep sky objects like nebulas and galaxies and even planets. Now let's put aside the light pollution filter and look at the collimator. Oh, it's elegant packaging. Oh, okay, there is a few pounds of the money that they owed me, so that's it for the postage we saved. Now look at the collimator. Okay, this is a laser collimator. So how it is first of all it's metal. You can see that it's anodized aluminum probably, or no, it's not aluminum. It has a chunk. It's alloy, whatever it is, and they go inside each other like that, and this goes on your telescope, and you can adjust the direction that your mirror is pointing. And the laser side is in this one. I can open it. This is the opening, and this is a battery which is connected to the laser. I'll put it back now. Okay, the way it works is that when it is on the 0, it's off. You put it on the 1 or 2, and it sends a beam of laser through this hole. I will turn it on and show you. This is the laser beam, you can see. And this is the laser beam that is pointing at the globe here. So you can adjust it from 1 and of course 0, which is off, to 7. 7 is the brightest, so you can actually see this is on the 7 now. I put it on the 1 and you can see again. It's quite dim at the 1. This is on 2, as you can see. Yeah. Of course, remember I'm looking through the camera. I'm not pointing this to my eye. This will damage your eye. Don't do that. And when it is screwed, it goes inside this adapter, and that can go onto your telescope's eyepiece space. You remove the eyepiece and put it on the focuser. Quite interesting, elegant packaging. And this is also the light pollution filter. So we have a lovely package of the light pollution filter and collimator for our telescope. And what is the next accessory you need? Watch this space. The diagram of how a collimator actually affects the collimation of the telescope, affects the field of view. If you don't collimate it, this small amount, almond shape or like a deformed apple or lemon, will be what you will see in the sky. You want to see the whole thick circle. Collimation helps you to do that. you adjust the screws on the back of the mirror, and that is it. The telescope will be collimated. It takes a little time with this collimator.